And circling back to our top story, police have fired water cannon and tear gas to quell protests that have erupted across Pakistan. Following former Prime Minister Imran Khan's arrest, I speak to Zahid Gishkori. He's editor for investigation at Hum News Network Pakistan and joins us live from Islamabad. Zahid, so far what we have heard, and is not a great deal, the anti-graft agency saying Mr. Khan has been taken in on alleged corruption charges. What more do we know as in terms of explanation for his arrest?
Here in Pakistan capital, in an expected move, former Prime Minister has been arrested. The country top corruption watchdog body made his arrest following an alleged corruption case. When he was the Prime Minister, he formed a trust sponsored by a property tycoon here in the country. This arrest sparked protests across the country in major cities of Pakistan. When we are talking here, hundreds of people came out in support of Mr. Imran Khan, the most popular opposition leader in the country. Since after last year, he was ousted through a vote of no confidence here in Pakistan. And this arrest could create more chaos in different cities because people, women, children across the party line here coming up with the support, and the police seem to be defying these protesters across the country. Evening at the moment, right now, there is a case against him in Islamabad High Court when Mr. Khan came over there, and the arrest was made by National Accountability Bureau here in Pakistan capital. But I want to tell here that Mr. Imran Khan getting more popularity from April 2022 since his government was gone down to a vote of confidence, and his support is coming out through the people. And this arrest came a week earlier, around 5 or 6 days earlier, when the country was supposed to, under the law, witness a general election in one of the largest provinces, Punjab, where the 65% population and the vote contained
Mr. Zahid,
by the state.
Mr. Zahid, pardon me for cutting in. As you mentioned, we have seen a great deal of protest since the ousting of Mr. Khan last year, and he is still very popular. Are we seeing, is there a likelihood of protests getting even more furious given what has happened in terms of his rather sudden arrest today?
Obviously, this protest would grow up with every passing hour here, and these are the expectations because Supreme Court of Pakistan already passed an order and directed the government to go for general election in light of Constitution of Pakistan, and this is what the law says. And but on the other hand, the former Prime Minister has been accusing Pakistan's top spy agency senior officers that they were allegedly behind his murder attempt once it happened. We have been reporting as well. And again, he repeated this allegation yesterday and the day before yesterday in his speech to the public. And he also issued a release. And yesterday, this arrest came a day after when Pakistan military also issued a strong rebuttal to his allegation that where he was saying that senior military officers were behind.
We're running out of time, Mr. Zahid. We're running out of time, but thanks so much for bringing us up to date what's happening on the ground there with Mr. Imran Khan. Zahid Gishkori, editor for investigation at Hum News Network Pakistan.